As a vehicle owner, you've probably received an estimate from either the insurance carrier or a repair plan and documentation from the collision repair facility in regards to the repairs of your vehicle. And as you review that estimate or repair plan, you may come across some parts that are listed on the estimate. And you may see an acronym that says CAPA, CAPA. As a consumer, what does that even mean? Michael, I know you're a collision repair facility owner. What does CAPA mean, and especially why is that important to a consumer?
Yeah, so I think as a consumer, the first thing you need to understand is a CAPA part is always going to be an aftermarket part. And CAPA's stamp or seal on that part essentially means that CAPA, a third party organization that was actually established by the insurance industry, has certified that part so that it meets CAPA standards. Now, the thing to keep in mind here is CAPA standards is many times very different than the standard of your vehicle manufacturer. And so, what we've seen in practice in our facility is when we order these parts, there are just inconsistencies in the parts based on possibly the manufacturing processes utilized that make them different than the OEM part that they're replacing. And ways that you as a customer may notice that is in the fitment or visual quality of the parts. Another area to keep in mind is as a customer, if you have a CAPA part installed on your vehicle and CAPA determines that that part or parts that were produced in that assembly plant need to be decertified, there's currently no recall process in place. So as a vehicle owner, when you have a part on your vehicle that is OEM and there's a recall by your vehicle manufacturer, you're notified through a process where the vehicle manufacturer ensures that each one of those parts are replaced on those vehicles. That's not going to be the case in a situation when you have a CAPA part on your vehicle, which is another safety concern for you as a vehicle owner to keep in mind.
If you found today's tip helpful, please hit that thumbs up button and share the video with your family and friends. Comment below for any future suggestions.
These videos are made possible by the Society of Collision Repair Specialists. SCRS and their members are committed to the future of the collision repair industry and serving you, the consumer, well. For more information, visit scrs.com or use the link in the description below.